how to import our own art from Procreate to Scratch. Our character is drawn in Procreate and it's now ready for Scratch. But how do we import it? In Procreate, tap your layers and turn off the background color. See that grid? That means our character will have no white box around it when it's imported into Scratch. Now tap the wrench, hit share, and choose PNG. This format is a high-quality file similar to a cutout sticker, also known as an alpha channel.
I'm going to save to my photos by clicking Save Image, but you can also share it to a folder if you would like.
In Scratch, hover over the cat icon and click Upload Sprite button. That's the folder with an upward arrow icon. Click Choose Files or Photo Library. Select your character image and boom, our Procreate character art is now in Scratch. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to GT8 Kids.